You have an infant or toddler, and you own a convertible car seat with a 5-point harness that can be installed rear-facing. Because your car was built after 2002, you can install the car seat using the LATCH system. If possible, install the car seat in the center of the back seat, the safest point in case of crashes. You can insert rolled towels to achieve the proper recline angle. You'll attach the rear-facing seat with the 2 belted hooks to anchor bars located below the seat back. Check that the anchor belts are securely attached to the anchor points and pull the tightening strap to ensure the car seat doesn't move more than an inch from side to side. To learn how best to restrain your child in a convertible car seat, go to www.buckleupforlife.org.